Take out the ink cartridge first. Unscrew the screw on the ink cartridge and take out the ink tube. Pour out the remaining ink. And so on. Each ink cartridge operates in this way. Remove the ink sacs of each color. Use a syringe to remove the remaining ink from the ink tube. Each ink sac operates in this way. Clean each ink cartridge with distilled water and fill it with an appropriate amount of distilled water. Put the ink cartridge back in place and insert the ink tube. Then use a syringe to extract and thoroughly clean the ink tube. And so on. Each ink sac operates in this way. Now the ink tubes are all transparent. Connect the printer to the computer and start deep cleaning. After cleaning, pour out the remaining distilled water in the ink cartridge. Drain the remaining distilled water from the ink tube and ink sac. Put the ink cartridge back in place. Add replacement ink to the ink cartridge. Use a syringe to draw out ink so that there is ink in the ink sac. Do this for each color. If you replace the white ink, you do not need to extract it after pouring the ink. Just turn on the white ink circulation switch and adjust it. The white ink will reach the ink sac by itself. Ink replacement completed.